Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create whiteboards on Canva for free. So let's get started. Open Chrome browser, select your profile, then on the website we will type canva.com. Type canva.com. Now on the home page you have to log in with your registered account. For making account you can use your Gmail account. After signing up, open your website and go to whiteboard option. As you can see here, whiteboard, click on it. Then the best thing about Canva is it gives you thousands of template ideas to use in your creativity. So you can search for whiteboard. For example, I want to make an environment, so I will type environmental poster and click on here. Now you can see here it gave me 100 of suggestions or relating to environment. So let's choose, I will choose this. Okay, now as you can see here my whiteboard is ready. To change text you can double click on it and you can change the text as well, text font, by clicking on here. You can change text font, you can change text size, you can change text color by clicking on here. Now after preparing your whiteboard, you have to download it. So go to share and go to download. Now here you can, according to your download size, you can change the pixels here. Now after setting size, go to download and download your whiteboard you have just created on Canva. So guys, this was an easy tutorial to how to create whiteboard in minutes. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.